Testosterone cream for men in Europe? Yes, you can get it. And in this video I'll tell you exactly how.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
I'm really excited about the package I received this morning in the mail. I'm going to unbox it. International tract, and it's from London, from Balance My Hormones. So I'll open it up. Okay. Another package, even smaller. Okay. And what's in it? A nice white tube. It says Roseway Labs. It says testosterone 150 mg per pump. One pump to be applied twice daily. This should be a 20% testosterone cream in a Versa base. So far the unboxing. So how can one get testosterone cream in Europe if indicated? First, after having labs done, you need to go see an educated, progressive doctor that can write you a prescription. In some countries like Belgium and Germany, those I am sure of, a compounding pharmacist can make you the cream with that exact prescription. But some local pharmacists may find it hard to find the raw ingredients to compound the cream. I know mine does for the moment. That's exactly why I will now talk about the other possibility. In the UK there is Balance My Hormones, a company that brings patients, doctors and pharmacists together to help each other out. They are a dedicated team of patient advocates here to help coordinate, facilitate and guide you through the journey of hormone rebalancing. I will put a link to their website under this video next to a link to their YouTube channel. Recently I was on a podcast with Sam Cook and Mike Coxis from Balance My Hormones. You can check that out on their YouTube channel as well. So this morning I received my first package from Balance My Hormones. As said, it contained an 80 ml tube of 20% testosterone cream in a Versa base, delivering 0.5 ml with 150 mg testosterone per pump, to be applied twice daily. So this tube will give me 160 doses for 80 days. So if you're in Europe and you're in need of hormone optimization and TRT, you can use a local doc and pharmacy, and if they can't do it for you, consider going to Balance My Hormones. Thanks for watching, I hope this was helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up and share it with others that could benefit. Thanks.